everyone, and welcome back to the Top 5 series. Today, we're building your dream machine. But before we dive into the world of gaming PCs, first and foremost, we need to set our budget. It's easy to get swept away in the charms of flashy components and the latest technology. But let's remember, your budget is your roadmap. Set a spending limit that doesn't intimidate you and make sure you stick to it. Now comes the silver lining. You don't have to empty your wallet to begin your epic gaming journey. With a modest budget, you can construct a solid machine. The great thing about creating your own PC is that you can start simple and enhance pieces as your skills, needs, and budget grow. So, to all the aspiring gaming champions out there, don't stress over getting the latest and greatest right away. Remember, you can always level up components in the future. With these top 5 tips, you'll be conquering epic in-game battles in no time. Don't just pick parts that look cool. Yeah, you heard it right. The aesthetics of your gaming PC are important, but what's under the hood matters even more. To ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck, you'll want to dive deep into the world of PC components. Researching is absolutely key here. You're not just buying parts, you're building a performance machine. Every component needs to work well with the others, fitting not only your budget, but also your desired performance level. You see, it's all about balance. Imagine this. You're in the middle of an intense gaming session, your adrenaline's pumping, and boom! Your game crashes because your components can't handle the pressure. Ouch, right? That's why you need to know your stuff. Check out benchmarking websites. They'll show you how different parts perform under varying workloads. Join online communities where fellow gamers share their experiences and insights. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to game on. Check out benchmark websites and online communities to see how different parts perform with the games you want to play. This is crucial. Let's talk about the heart of your gaming beast. Compatibility. It's the king and queen of your gaming kingdom, the ace up your sleeve, the secret sauce to your epic rig. Picture this. You've got all your components ready, you're buzzing with excitement, and then your CPU and motherboard are like two ships passing in the night. They just don't speak the same language. To avoid this disappointing scenario, make sure your motherboard, CPU, RAM, and graphics card are all singing from the same hymn sheet. Imagine them as a band, each member playing their part, but together they create a symphony of gaming prowess. But how can you ensure they're all in harmony? Well, there's a knight in shining armor for that. Compatibility Checkers. Available on most online retailers and PC builder websites, these handy tools can save you from compatibility calamities. Many online retailers and PC builder websites have compatibility checkers to help you avoid frustrating mishaps. Building a PC might seem daunting, but it's actually quite rewarding. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter, the build. We know it's a labyrinth of wires, components, and screws, but remember, every champion gamer was once a rookie too. Just like in gaming, the key is to equip yourself with the right tools. Online video tutorials are your best friends here. They will guide you through every step of the process, from installing the CPU to plugging in the very last cable. Each component has a specific place and role in your gaming rig. So, treat this like a puzzle where every piece matters, and there's no rush. Building your dream machine is not a race, it's a journey. And if you ever find yourself stuck in a tricky situation, don't hesitate to ask for help. There's a vast community of builders out there, ready to lend a hand. Take your time, be careful, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you get stuck. The PC building world can move fast, and parts may be out of stock or have fluctuating prices. Now this is where patience becomes a virtue. It can be tempting to snatch up the first shiny part you see, or to panic buy when something is out of stock. But remember, haste often leads to regret. Instead, take a deep breath. Settle in for the long game. Do your research. Understand what parts you need and what parts you can afford. Know the difference between a good deal and a hasty decision. Set up price alerts for those key components. That way, you'll know when it's the right time to strike. Avoid the rush of impulse buys. Just because something is available doesn't mean it's the right fit for your build. Be patient. Wait for the pieces to fall into place. And remember, a well-planned PC build is worth the wait. In conclusion, do your research, set up price alerts, and don't rush into impulse buys.